Latifah, how you doing? I hope that you're with this, I hope that you're willing. I wanna introduce you to a cut called Mama Gave Birth to the Soul Children.
Well, here comes the goy, the true to the goy. You know the one, the A-dub like boy, stepping in a step, keeping with the kept, making an appearance with a naughty headset. Lunatics, you lose 'cause the plug's too saying. Peace to the negative nods who make their way out of order. If you know your betters, you're better at your order. Wave the mighty peace sign higher than a kite. If you're feeling sick, it's alright, it's fever night. Don't go do-si-do and dig in no potholes, 'cause if you do, we call him Mars Patrol. It's no difference from the verbal last heard. Kayumbo is the ruler that's bond to the word. Moving more than 3 feet, rocking with the knee deep. Dub is gonna leave you with a tweet.
Next on the menu, we continue with the pasta, dipped in chocolate, served with lots of Twizzlers and honey. Yummy lyrics I'm flaunting is good for the tummy. Tip the waiter, now proceed to the floor, selling much records like a pit mover. Excuse me, Mom, see Pasta wins, 'cause I'm the A to the plug, W-O-N. Brother Pete, get live for this tribe, and let's ride down the highway of vibe. Pushing that which starts with the soul says please, 'cause backwards that's rap, and we don't eat cheese. Ducks and consists need to get my meaning. The preacher is the key to the casual meaning. Polaroid clicks the back, and you'll know that the soul is moving on up like the Jefferson Show.
I'm back, a black queen, upon the scene with a knack for funky tracks. Know what I mean? Prince 4 produces this, and it's a fly one. It had to be that way, he's one of my sons. It's a family affair, and then we're out of here. There's no doubt here, 'cause this is our year. So flex to a Queen Latifah de la Soul sound.
Go ahead, mama, get down.
It was inevitable that this joint venture would be incredible. We never put ourselves on any pedestal, but the rhyme is so good it's practically edible.
Say what?
So check the sounds of Mama Zulu as I relate the story untold. And if you're wondering why I got kids so big, they weren't born from the body, they were born from the soul.